circle. Now I'll glue paper to cardboard. Now I'm putting glue around and around and around here. Now I'll stick the stones. Waterfall looks like this. If you want, you can put small color stones and one pot right here. I did this waterfall with the things I have in home. This is today's video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.